Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Steam tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to change the game language on Steam. Because the language setting of Steam is not always applied to the games as well. First I start Steam and go to my library. Now I right click on the game whose language I want to change. I select Properties and switch to the Language tab. In the drop-down menu I now select the language I want to use. In this case I change from German to English. After that I close this window, and when I start the game now it will open in the selected language. And with that we are done. That's how easy it is to change the language for a Steam game. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.